stack of mail every day. And although this doesn't look too impressive, it has about $1,000 each in every envelope. So it doesn't look like a lot of envelopes, but there's a lot here. So what I have here, I just want to show you the $1,000 there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $25,000 in postal money orders here, all made payable to me. So I'm gonna open the mail right here, right in front of you. This is a moment of truth that everybody's been waiting for, but we're gonna see what the cat dragged in this morning. Again, this is a typical morning for me, and inside this envelope is lo and behold, $1,000. You can see that $1,000 that I received in this envelope. I'll put it down. That makes $26,000 that I got today. Also, I'm going to open this envelope here, and these used to be nothing but bills I used to receive, but here we go again. $1,000 right there. Another $1,000. So I want you to see that. Let's see what we got here. Another $1,000 right there. So let's keep on opening the rest of them. Let's see what we got here. Now, this program is the only program I've joined where I've actually made money. This one works. Everything else doesn't work. Every other postcard program out there is not going to work. This one is the only program that actually allows you to keep all the money that comes in. So nobody's trying to make money with you. Nobody's trying to get rich off of you, off of your own hard work. But here we go. Here's another $1,000 payday for me. $1,000. Let's open this one. Let's see what this one is. Okay, here we go. Again, these used to be bills. Here we go. Another $1,000. Another $1,000. $1,000. And guess what? I get to keep it all. And guess what? When you join the program, you get to keep it all. Another $1,000 right there. It's in your face. Let's open this one. Again, this is just one day of mail. One day of mail. Lo and behold, $1,000 right there. Let's open the next one. Bam, $1,000 again, right there. Let's open the next one. Another 1,000. Oh, I'm getting excited about this. Here we go. What do we got here? Guess what? Don't take a psychic to predict what's going to be in the next one. Another $1,000 right there. This one contains absolutely nothing, but you'll get these every now and then. $1,000 right there. So the program works. Look, the proof is here. This is proof positive that mailing postcards does work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,000, 20,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, $37,000 in one day. That's not too bad. When's the last time you made $37,000 in one day? Join the program. This is the only one that works. Sure, it'll cost $1,000 to join, but this is what you're going to get after. Just give it a week or two. Trust me, it'll come in. It works.